In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at first you need to open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and locate apps right here. Now click on more icon and then select reset app preferences. And if you truly want to reset all your preferences for disabled apps, notification restrictions for apps, default app, background data restriction for apps, and any other permission restrictions, just tap on reset. And that's it, it has been done, and now you can customize all app preferences from scratch. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.